Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable biometric payment on Bitget Wallet. Activating biometric payment adds an extra layer of security and makes transactions faster and more convenient. So, let's get started on how to enable biometric payment on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. In the list that appears, find and tap on the Advanced Settings option. Now, look at the Biometric Payment option. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. And this is how you can enable biometric payment on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.